Dad bod season here in lovely Pennsylvania. Here with the baby. She's just all quiet. She's asleep. But what I did want to let you guys know about this. Look at this. Ooh, oh, there it is. Wow. But we got off the phone today with MA Performance. Gonna have some fun stuff going on here. Make sure you stay tuned. Definitely subscribe. Hit the little reminder, because you're gonna want to see what we do to this thing next. So I've been getting a lot of messages. People asking me, "Hey, why don't you build the Duramax? You have it. I mean, obviously it's in rough shape, but wouldn't take that much to fix it up and let it rock. Put some power into it, because I always complain about how slow this thing is. But as you say, this truck's slow. Yeah, how do you like that? The reason I'm not doing that is because I've already had a diesel truck that was fast. I already had a 2008 6.4 Power Stroke that I dumped all the money I had in the bank in, and I made that truck. It's not fast. Let me put it in perspective. It was quick for a truck. It wasn't a drag truck by any means. It was still a street truck, and it was still for everyday use. I pulled trailers with it. I drove it every day for work, but it just had a lot more power than stock. And it blew smoke everywhere. At the time, I thought that was the coolest thing ever. Now, sometimes it's kind of cool. But I'm not going to build the Duramax. It's going to stay a work truck, just because that's what I need right now, and that's what I'm using it for. I was able to find some old videos I had of that truck. They were all taken from like Snapchats back when Snapchat was first a thing, so it was awesome. So they're all going to be, I guess, not landscapes, they're going to be portrait. So straight up vertical. So I'll post them up. I think I only got like 2 minutes worth. I'll, do a little quick trailer about the truck and show you what it was, what it looked like. And if anybody actually does know where that truck is, where it ended up, I sold it out of Buck County, PA, by Providence Motors. If anyone knows where that truck ended up, let me know, because in all honesty, I'm like 99% sure I'll buy that truck back, because that thing was awesome, so much fun. Definitely destroyed the wallet, but it was so much fun before it destroyed the wallet, and all the times in between. It was awesome. It was just awesome. So if you know where it is, have any information on it, I've seen it in some area, just let me know, please, because I would love to have that truck back. I want to get into the car modification world. That's what I want. I want to get into that, and that's why I started this channel, because I want people to kind of see what I'm going through, because I'm flying in blind. I'm not an automotive mechanic by any means, but I am a helicopter mechanic, and I'm a vehicle driver for work, so I'm pretty sure I'll be okay. But like I said, I don't have all the tools and stuff like that, so I don't have a lift, I don't have any of that stuff, so we'll see if I can get all this stuff done. What's going on, everybody? Just got home, so I got a new package in the mail. This should be something from Wish. First time ordering something from there, so let's see what all I ordered's in here. Made in China. This to be a whole kit for like a GoPro. There is stuff in here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Let's see what we got here. It's not a bad case. Okay. We got a little piece here, suction cups on to your windshield for a camera. Or I guess you could do it the side of your car or anything like that. Suction cup. We got this one. Let's open these things up. It's a clip that you mount it on. Pretty cool. This thing is pretty nifty. Now, of course, the cameras haven't came in yet. I ordered them off Wish too because they were like $20. I was like, sure. And we've got all the little pieces that you mount on the back, 3M onto it. Right here. Put all those in there. There's plenty of that stuff. Okay, well, I have no idea what this is right here. It's a bunch of parts. Guess they're all just, no, they're all just different, you can put them together for different ways of mounting stuff. Okay. That's pretty cool, pretty cool. I'll have to figure out how to put them together. This right here you wear this on your wrist or what? Guess you could. I don't know. Not gonna be using that more than likely, but if I need it, I have it. Put that down there. This thing's cool. So this, you put it in the water and you put your GoPro on it, and it's a buoy and it keeps the GoPro up. Pretty nifty. We'll see if it works. But the videos I've seen on it, pretty cool. Okay. Another just bracket you mount on. Got a monopod. See if it goes. How's it go out? Not too shabby. Actually doesn't feel cheap either. I like that a lot. Some more straps. No idea what these things are. That in there. And more straps. And here's the part that I wanted. I would have paid the money for all of it, to the $20 or $15 this thing costs, this whole kit, just for this. So this, you mount the GoPro on, it's got legs on it, right? Like, oh, okay, like a normal tripod. But you can bend all the legs around. So I can attach it to, whoever's, use this headset right here. Grab it. You wrap this thing around there, like that. Oh, well, that didn't work. But you understand what I'm saying. Just like that. Boom. Pretty nifty. But so the reason I got all this stuff, hopefully I'll make more and a little bit better content for the channel. But I want to mount a GoPro on my helmet this year when I'm racing in those demolition derby races at Arcadia. because I tried one before and it blew right off. Blew right off. First hit, it was gone. So this year I want to try to see if I can get one to work, whether I have to actually drill into the helmet or whatever. Who knows? This is, oh, for a body cam. Cool. But yeah, so my first package from Wish actually was right. Everything in here was what it's supposed to be. I'm completely shocked because the prices that they have on there, you cannot beat this stuff. Now, it did take 2 or 3 weeks for this to come in, which, I mean, that's like the cameras they're projected to come in so late that I think it's like May, something like that. Whatever. I'm not worried about it. I guess that's why it's so cheap. But really, it's good stuff. If you got time on your hands, if you got time to wait for parts, this is incredible. This is very incredible. I'll definitely be using it again. With all that being said, I would definitely use Wish if I were you. Look at this case. Look at this thing. This little case zips up. That's perfect. Put this right in the car. Go film, do everything you need. Come back. Perfect. I'm so excited. I just hope that the attachments on here actually fit the cameras that came, or that didn't come with it, but the ones I ordered with them. Because if not, then this will be a waste of money. But the cameras were only $18 to $27. I think one was $18, and that one was 4K, and the other one, the one was 4K 50 frames per second, and the other one that was $18, I believe, was 1080, but it was waterproof. As in, like, yeah, they had the case that are waterproof, but that one you can actually take it down. It's like 25 feet deep before the pressure of the water will pop it. So, we'll see. I'm not going to test that out, probably. Yeah, the whole 25 feet deep thing. Nah. But, hopefully, the video quality is what they're supposed to be. And after getting this, I'm really excited about it. I'm thoroughly excited about seeing these cameras, because I really, really, really hope they are what they're supposed to be. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.